Our philosophy is to travel deep and travel wide, and we've been delving deep into the fantastic city of Lyon, France, before we head to a new destination. We learned that there are many reasons to travel to Lyon. Michelin-starred restaurants, stunning UNESCO World Heritage Sites, temperate climate, and a direct train route to and from Paris are just a few of the city's well-known perks. But the city also boasts another hook, a fully sustainable neighborhood featuring modern architecture and an expanding nightlife scene. At the meeting point of the Rhone River and the Saône River, the aptly named La Confluence is Europe's largest regeneration project. The Confluence district is aesthetically unlike anywhere else in Lyon or even Paris. Made up of former docklands, the area has been revitalized with a focus on creating a sustainable, walkable, and diverse neighborhood featuring green infrastructure. It's been called the most futuristic neighborhood in France. Take the cubes, for example, which give bright pops of color in the Confluence landscape. The cubes are made of reinforced concrete pillars with a perforated aluminum skin. Another example is the Confluence Museum, which looks like something out of Star Wars. In fact, it's been called the Millennium Falcon of Lyon. In actuality, the museum's architecture is meant to resemble the deconstructed image of a crystalline cloud, and it does offer a striking view from and of the city. Inside, it houses permanent exhibitions on evolution and the meaning of life. It fits perfectly with our theme of evolution in our Lyon video series.
We're in Lyon at the Museum of the Confluence, which is this really interesting museum with this incredible architecture, very unusual. But we're inside, and it tells this fascinating story of human evolution and our place in the world through a lot of animals and artifacts that tell the world's history. And we're about to go into a section now that talks about space and exploration. But it's a really interesting perspective on humans and our place in the world and our history.
The name of the Musée des Confluences is itself a kind of pun. It's a museum dedicated to the confluences of ideas and culture, but it's also physically situated at a confluence where two rivers join and flow together toward the Mediterranean Sea.
You can see I'm laying down because we just completed an almost 9-mile walk around Lyon with our friends that were visiting here, and it was great. We had a perfect day. We thought it may rain, and it was actually gorgeous. And today we walked around much of the new development in Lyon, which was really surprising. We're staying in the central historic area, but we went out today and saw their amazing museum, as well as the river, and a significant amount of redeveloped space that was a warehouse. It's now this very cool architectural community of all kinds of different residential and commercial development. It's really interesting to see how Lyon is this mix of old and new, and we're really enjoying it.
For those who can get past the break with Lyon's historic past, La Confluence is a vision of a possible future come to life, and it's a good one. Watch this video to see what's next on our adventures, and check out our customizable merchandise store. See you soon!